Hi guys, welcome back to day 2 of my 28-day face yoga challenge. If you have done day 1, thank you for sticking by. Face yoga is all about lifting, toning and naturally sculpting your face. We will be keeping the momentum on day 2 using rosehip seed oil as I did on day 1. Gently massage the oil into your face, but don't overdo it because we want a little slip for face yoga. Starting with the first exercise, just fold your fingers and massage them lightly above your eyebrows on your forehead. You have to exert a little pressure and just smoothen those lines out. This is frown line removal yoga. It helps reduce the frown lines on your forehead. Just apply a gentle pressure while you are doing it. Gently drag your fingers down towards your temples, starting from the middle of your eyebrows, middle of your forehead, and dragging them gently down towards your temples. We do each exercise for 45 seconds. Next, we'll be doing under eye pull. Just gently pull the under eyes with your fingers, making a U shape with them. Apply a gentle pressure while you're doing it. Make sure your fingers are slipping on your face. If at any time you feel that there is no slip, please use some more oil or any other serum that you are using for face yoga. Keep doing it. 15 seconds to go. Gently pull your under eye and drag your fingers till your temples. Next exercise is cheekbone press. You have to gently press on your cheekbones, extending it up to the temples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just do it with me. Apply a little pressure when you are pressing your cheekbones. You are extending till your temples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep doing it. It's a very good face yoga. It's a very good exercise for your cheekbones. Now we'll be doing cheek upward massage. Just massage your cheeks in the upward direction. Apply a little pressure. Make sure your hands are slipping, your fingers are slipping on your face. If not, then please use some more oil or serum that you are using. Gently lift your cheeks in the upward direction using your fingers. Again, a very powerful face yoga move. Lifting your cheeks in the upward direction, it really helps lift your face and sculpt your face. Now we are doing lip corner lifting. Just lift the sides like this. Make a small U, a small curve. Just follow it along with me. Make a smile with your fingers. It helps removes the lines, your smile lines from your face. Keep doing it. 10 more seconds. You have to apply a little pressure while you are doing it. Next up is eyes and cheeks yoga. Just open your mouth and eyes and close them both. Opening them again. Just keep doing it for a few seconds with me. opening your eyes and mouth, closing, open again and close, opening again and close, open and close, open and close. Keep doing it, a few more seconds to go. For next exercise, slightly lift your face and make a pout with your lips. Try to stretch your lips as much as you can while you're pouting. And make sure your face is lifted and you're looking at the roof of your room. Just make a pout and go back. Make a pout again and go back. Keep doing it for a few more seconds. Make sure you're stretching your lips while you're making a pout to the maximum. Next, we'll be doing neck rolls. Just roll your neck along with me like this. Now, first roll, second roll. Now change the direction again, one roll and the other, and now change the direction 2 times in one direction, and then you have to change. Changing direction again. Alright, that's it for day 2. I really hope that you felt that lift and stretch on your face, and definitely you will see results as you keep doing it. Just stay consistent. That's it for today. If you want to see day 1, I'll be tagging the video here and in the description box too. Give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Now I'll see you in day 3. Bye.